This is Lumba Frank's mobile money and agent banking booth adjacent to the dusty 8th Street in Namuwongo. We found Lumba sorting money which he had collected from his customers for mobile money and agent banking. He is one of the clients who was charged 10% of his commission by the Centenary Bank as a mandatory fee for insurance under the new agent banking policy. Several banks closed their branches in order to cut operation costs and started relying on agent bankers. And these agents claim they earn meager commissions from the transactions they make. For instance, some banks give a commission of 510 shillings for a transaction of 250 to 500,000 shillings. And even the 500 that they earn is subjected to a tax or a withholding tax from government. But with the introduction of 10% tax on their commission as insurance, they say this is too high for them to tender.
You people fall so much to thieves, so we are just bothered about your capital. We want to insure it for you, but mandatory. We are saying, how can you be bothered about my capital more than me, the owner? It is my money.
Irene is the vice chairperson, Agent Bankers Association. Out of these associations, Centenary Bank, which is one of the biggest local banks, has at least 9,000 agents.
Centenary had to start telling us our contracts have expired. We need to sign new contracts. Which new contracts? They have now put in the insurance new clauses. So if each of these banks are going to come up and say, let's also take 10% of commission from agents, what are we going back home with?
Yeah, just state it like. NTV Today spoke to the manager digital communication from Centenary Bank, Michael Bulyerali, who said the bank has halted implementation of the new insurance plan.
That following the engagements that we've had with our agents, since we're their listening partner, we decided to halt the cover, but engagements continue. We are talking to them, we're meeting their leadership teams to ensure that we charter out the best way forward. But all this is really in good faith.
Why were you pushing your clients or agents to deal with a specific insurance company, yet there is a pool of so many insurance companies that they could make a choice from?
So Sudhir, you know, this is agent banking specifically, but also the insurance now in quotes. This is a new kind of area. So there were not so many insurers who are willing to come into the fray and partner with us.
The agents, who claim they were not much aware about this new policy, told NTV that they didn't understand the insurance cover.
Why make it mandatory? Because some of them already have got insurance for their businesses from other companies.
So the 10% that we were deducting from agents covers cash, be it cash in transit, be it cash that is being handled by the handlers, the agent handlers, or cash in the safe.
But that was the arrangement to curb some agents who would stage thefts in order to get compensated.
Even when we are onboarding agents, we try to really vet them in terms of their integrity and whatnot, to ensure that whoever we are partnering with is really a person of honest being.
Engagements are still ongoing with the agents, banks and different insurance providers on how to harmonize the current state of affairs that is said to be eating into the commissions of the banking agents. Sudhir Byaruhanga, NTV.